Hi, Nantha from Nantha's Kitchen. Welcome to Central Culinaire. And today we're going to be making Char Koew Teow. Char Koew Teow. That's in Hokkien. It's a real delicacy in Malaysia, and it comes from the island of Penang. And there are many different forms of Char Kway Teow, but you're going to learn my version of it. And this is the fresh noodle, and in Cantonese it's called ho fan. And in Hokkien it's called Koew Teow. And char means to fry. And if you can't find the fresh ones, you can use the dried version of Char Kway Teow, and you just have to soak it in water. For this recipe, we will need the following ingredients. Yao choy, mustard greens, kuchai, which is Chinese chives, tauge, which is bean sprouts. We'll need sambal olek. We'll need to make a puree of the following: GOG, garlic, onion, ginger mix, eggs, and we'll need fresh Koew Teow, or if you can't find fresh Koew Teow, get the rice vermicelli. We'll need lapchong, the Chinese sausage, 2 types of soy sauce, dark soy and light soy, and lastly, we will need shrimp. And we usually use cockles, but in this recipe we will use clams. First, we're going to prepare the GOG, the garlic, onion, ginger puree. So the GOG is actually something that you can use for a variety of things. And the ratio, it depends very much on you. Some people like to use a lot of garlic. Some people like to use a lot of ginger. I prefer a heavier ginger ratio to garlic, so that's what I'm going to do. There we go. All this goes in a blender. I do not remove the skin from the ginger. You don't have to either. There we go. We're going to add a little bit of water. You want a nice thick puree. You don't want it too watery. So just add water as you go along. You want the puree to be of this consistency. Next, we prep the veggies. I usually like to separate the hard part and the soft part of the veggies. And I usually slice them into smallest strips, because you want to cook the stems first. Otherwise, they all get mushy. When using fresh noodles, bring them to room temperature and separate them carefully like this. They have a lot of oil in them, so when using fresh noodles, use less oil when you fry. Otherwise, your Char Kway Teow is going to be very oily, like the ones you find in Malaysia. There we go. This is Chinese sausage, lapchong. I'm going to slice it now. Nice long thin slices. First, heat up the wok. Make sure it's nice and hot. Start off with oil. GOG. Depending on how spicy you want it to be, we'll start off with 1. Sambal olek, hot veg, these are the stems of the yao choy, Some lapchang is going to add oil to your dish. Now we're going to add some shrimp and some clams. Noodles. For the soy sauce, you're going to add a tiny bit of dark soy. Usually the proportion is 3 to 1. 1/3 dark soy and 2/3 light soy. Soft veg goes in now. Bean sprouts go in last. Break the egg into the noodles. Really important to scrape the bottom of the wok to get all that is stuck at the bottom of the wok into your noodles. And now we're done. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Char Kway Teow.